I'm a doctor.
Me too.
A jungle doctor.
Yeah.
Once upon a time, there were two jungle doctors. Their job was to take care of every animal in the jungle.
Dr. Dima, pull over. A patient.
Hi, Elephant.
Are you okay?
No, I have achoo! Excuse me, I have a cold.
Dr. Goo, this elephant has a cold. Let's get out the medical kit.
Yes, Dr. Dima.
We need your help to figure out what this patient needs. How should we help the elephant feel better? Should we give her a tissue, an ice pack, or a bandage?
A tissue!
You're right! This patient needs a tissue.
Thank you, Doctor. I feel better already.
You're welcome.
Good job, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor. Gorilla! Let's get out of here. I think we lost him.
Doctor, look!
A patient! Pull over!
Hi, Hippo.
You okay?
No, I hurt my knee.
Let's take a look. What happened here?
I fell down.
Dr. Dima, this hippo scraped his knee. Let's get out the medical kit.
Yes, Dr. Gill.
We need your help to figure out what this patient needs. How should we help the hippo with the scraped knee feel better? Should we take his temperature, put a cast on his leg, or give him a bandage?
A bandage!
You're right. This patient needs a bandage.
Here you go, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
My boo-boo feels better.
Great! Good job, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Gorilla! Let's get out of here!
I think we lost him.
Doctor, look!
Another patient?
No! A cliff! Wowzer! That was a close one.
Doctor, the medical kit!
Oh, no! Now what do we do, Doctor?
I don't know. What do you think we should do?
I don't know. What do you think we should do? Gorilla! He's going to eat us!
Gorillas don't eat people.
Oh, well, in that case, what seems to be the trouble?
Oh.
Doctor, we don't have our medical kit.
I don't think we need the medical kit, Doctor. This patient isn't sick. Are you?
I'm a little bit sad
Sad? How come?
because I wanted to play with you, but you kept running away.
We thought you were going to eat us.
Gorillas don't eat people.
That's what I said. Doctor, I think we owe this gorilla an apology. We're sorry.
Will you play with me?
Why, of course we will. Come here.
Oh, that's nice.
And in conclusion, the jungle doctors made all the animals feel better, and everyone lived happily ever after.